This week, Tesla loses over $126 billion in value. CME Group will soon launch an aluminum options contract, and International Derivatives Expo is fast approaching. This is Alex Perry with the John Lothian News, and this is your recap of options and market news from the week. Here are some of the week's top stories. Elon Musk has continued to be in the spotlight and making headlines this month. This week, his automaker company, Tesla, reportedly lost over $125 billion in market value only a day after Musk's Twitter acquisition deal. Earlier this month, Musk bought a 9% stake in Twitter, at the time making him the largest stakeholder, and almost joined the social media's board of directors, only to forsake the new role and purchase all of Twitter for $44 billion. Bloomberg reports that since April 4th, Tesla's market capitalization is down more than $275 billion, and the news source attributes Tesla's sinking stock price to slower economic expansion, persistent inflation, and federal rate hikes. CME Group announced that it will be launching an options contract on aluminum. CME's global head of metals, Jean Chong, says that the aluminum markets are expanding, quote, with a record 4,888 aluminum futures contracts traded over April 19th and an average daily volume in April currently around 1,300 contracts, up over 100% from last year. The aluminum options are pending regulatory review and are expected to launch on May 23rd. Deutsche Börse revealed its 2022 quarterly statement and started off the year strong. The company's net revenue increased by 24%, which it says is largely due to higher trading activity. The firm also noted that earnings before interest, taxes, etc. increased by 32%. The Intercontinental Exchange has partnered with JP Morgan in a deal in which JP Morgan will offer clearing services for client-executed credit default swap or CDS index options using ICE Clear Credit, according to the trade. The trade also reports that ICE Clear Credit, quote, supports the clearing of CDS index options instruments referencing the major North American and European corporate indices, and will allow end users to, quote, add cleared CDS index options to their risk management strategies. Lastly, the FIA's International Derivatives Expo will be happening this summer in London. Discussion topics will include European regulation, market structure trends, and oversight of market functions. Early bird prices end on April 30th, and the event is from June 6th to the 8th in London. That's all for now, but be sure to tune in to this week's edition of John's Take. Also, be sure to check out our options term of the week presented by Euronext. Just a friendly reminder that the 40th Annual Options Industry Conference is fast approaching and will be held on May 10th through the 12th in San Antonio, Texas. This has been Alex Perry for JLN. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.